Hi, my name is Kayleigh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your stock head unit in your 2022 Tundra. Okay, so for this part you're going to remove this panel right here with the flat part of your panel removal tool. You're going to just wedge it in there and just play it a little bit, just get it to pop out. You're going to pop out this center piece right here. It should pop out pretty easy. After you remove your center piece, you're going to go in here with your 10mm socket. There's going to be 4 bolts on the bracket for your screen. Here that you're going to take the flat side of your panel removal tool and just pop out. It should pop right forward, and then you're going to pull this plastic piece out to where it gives it a little bit of play. You want to just kind of run your fingers down the side, push this out, and you'll make sure not to drop your screen. You're going to put it underneath the plastic piece on the left by your gauges. Push your screen back and pull. Okay, and before I pull out my head unit, I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to go ahead and tape off the screen below it. That way I don't scratch it or damage it in any way. And I'm going to go ahead and slide out my head unit. And for safety measures, so that I remember where all of my harnesses go, I'm going to go ahead and take out my phone and take a picture of it.